Hi everyone, Galina here for Studio Katia. For today's card I used a mini polka dots cover die and a slider tag die. I'm going to show you how to create a colorful interactive card using ink blending technique. Here I have two white panels, one for a card background and one for a tag. For the ink blending technique I recommend to use an ultra smooth paper from Nina or a Canson. And one more helpful tool is a blending brush. So I start with applying a light yellow color in the center of each panel. For me, it's an easiest way to create two similar colorful backgrounds at once. Next, I'm applying a light green color on the bottom and I'm trying to overlap it on a yellow layer to create a nice gradient between the colors. Using blending brushes, you can avoid harsh lines on the paper. They blend colors softly and really fast. On the top of the card panel, I'm going to add a light orange color and a bit of a pink. I had in my mind an idea to create a sunset scene on the card, that's why I'm blending a lot of colors on the panel. While I'm applying a light orange color, I didn't overlap it on the yellow layer. I leave a gap for a pink color. If you're interested in colors I used, you can find full supply list on the Studio Katia blog or in the description below the video. Repeat all steps on a smaller panel and here they are. Love this color combo a lot. I decut a panel with the polka dots and the front panel of the slider tag. Next I need to decut inner parts of the tag from a white cardstock. On the top part I need to fold a flap twice, like that. That will be an active part of the tag. I decided to add a bit of color on the inner parts of the tag, so I'm applying a dark blue distress ink on the both inner parts of the tag. Again, I'm applying ink with a blending brush and I get a nice smooth background for the tag. Now I'm adhering a small flap to the inner part of the tag. You will have a small mark on the die cut to make it easier to stick in the center both parts. Using other smaller die from this set, you can decorate a hole on the tag. I die cut a circle from the gold mirror cardstock and adorn it with a liquid glue. Now I need to adhere the main slider mechanism to the back part of the tag. Be careful with applying glue on the edges. Don't put it too much because you can accidentally adhere the active part of the slider, or you can use a double-sided adhesive tape to adhere the tag. After the tag is done, let's move to the stamping part. I'm using a few images from PAWS for Kindness bundle. This is a special stamp from Studio Katia because Studio Katia will donate $10 from every sale of this special stamp bundle to pets in the classroom. So I stamped all images with a Copic-friendly black ink because alcohol markers can react with regular inks. I start coloring with a dark brown color and I will overlap a light brown color on it. On this image I made just a simple coloring with only two shades of each color. All numbers of Copic markers I used I will write on the blog post. my coloring is done, I die-cut all images with the coordinating dies. I'm using this cute little triangle tray to keep all small die cuts in one place. Now I want to remove the dog's leash. I just cut it off with scissors on both sides, and I mask the main black lines with a white gel pen. For the sentiment, I choose a big phrase stamp from the same set, and I'm going to stamp it on the tag with a black ink. And now it's time to place stamped images on the tag. I'm adhering the boy with the cat on the front flap of the tag. I'm opening a slider mechanism and attaching a dog on the tag background. I foam mount a tag on the card base, and I want to decorate my card with other tiny images I made. I'm adhering cats and dogs' bowls near the boy. Also, I'm adhering tiny hairs near the dog and a few stars on the card panel. To pick such tiny elements, I'm using a pickup tool with a special stick tip. This tool leaves no marks on the die cuts, but it easily leaves them. And my card is done. I want to show you closer how it works. I think I can play with this card and tag all day long. Thank you very much for stopping by. I hope you like this card and see you soon. Bye!